Implant Pathway is a continued education continuum focused on surgical placement of dental implants, founded and directed by Dr. Justin Moody and Dr. Mike Frymouth, two of the most credentialed implantologists in the country. Implant Pathway is divided into 4 ADA AGD-approved sessions, starting online with Session 1, which is 20 modules that you can take at your own pace. In Sessions 2 and 3, you'll enjoy lectures and hands-on training in a variety of cities across the United States. Then in Session 4, you'll travel to Tempe, Arizona to the New Horizon Dental Center, where you'll spend 3 days placing an average of 19 implants during back-to-back surgeries and helping patients who can't afford dental treatment. If your schedule prevents the regular pathway, maybe Fast Track is for you. It's a 1-week intensive training, placing all 4 sessions back-to-back. And after completing the Implant Pathway, you'll be able to return later for our Advanced Continuum, delving deeper into complications, restorative solutions, sinus grafting, soft tissue grafting, and more. Now, let's look at the 2019 Implant Pathway schedule. To begin your pathway and to register for one of our limited spots, visit implantpathway.com today.